Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Collagen and elastin are the two proteins that keep your skin smooth, tight, and wrinkle-free. But factors like aging, sun damage, and exposure to pollution can cause collagen and elastin to break down over the time. When that happens, the skin around your face, neck, and chest may become wrinkled, saggy, and loose. Also, due to pregnancy and rapid weight loss, your skin may become loose. In this video, we are going to look at natural remedies for skin tightening, skin firming, and to treat wrinkles and saggy skin. Flax Seed Gel Pack. For this, you need whole brown flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help to maintain the skin's natural moisture. It helps to tone, tighten, and firm the skin. Add 1 cup of water to a bowl and heat it on low flame. Now add 1 full spoon of flax seeds. Let it boil for over 10 minutes on medium flame. While you are boiling the water, keep stirring. Slowly, the liquid starts thickening. Keep stirring all throughout the process. This prevents from overflowing of water. Continue to boil until you see fast rolling water bubbles. Once you see a gel-like formation, turn off the flame. If you boil it for a long time, the gel becomes thicker and it will be difficult to separate the flax seeds from the gel. This is the right consistency of the gel. Take an empty bowl and place a cotton cloth or cheesecloth on the top as shown. While the gel is still hot, pour the gel into the cotton cloth. Now, squeeze the cloth to separate the clear gel from the flax seeds. You should do it while the gel is still hot and liquid. Otherwise, it will be difficult to separate the seeds. Use caution because the gel is very hot and it may cause burns. That's all, the flax seed gel is ready. Take it into a jar. You can also store this gel in the fridge for a month and reuse whenever you need. Apply this to all over the face and leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it away with fresh water and mild soap. This enhances skin tightening and skin firming.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.